Welcome to Muscle Progress, the channel dedicated to helping you build muscle and lose fat. In today's video, we'll be focusing on abs workouts that you can do at home. Having a strong core is essential for overall fitness and health, and these exercises will help you achieve just that. So, let's get started. Getting a good workout for your abs is crucial for maintaining core strength and overall fitness. Fortunately, you don't have to go to a gym or invest in expensive equipment to achieve a great abs workout. With some dedication and creativity, you can easily get an effective abs workout at home. Here are some tips and exercises to help you get started. 1. Plank. The plank is an excellent exercise for building core strength. To perform a plank, get into a push-up position with your elbows on the ground. Your body should be straight from your head to your heels. Hold this position for as long as you can without letting your hips sag or pike up. 2. Bicycle crunch. The bicycle crunch is a classic abs exercise that targets the obliques as well as the rectus abdominis. To perform a bicycle crunch, lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your knees bent. Lift your head and shoulders off the ground and bring your left elbow to your right knee while straightening your left leg. Then switch sides, bringing your right elbow to your left knee while straightening your right leg. 3. Russian twist. The Russian twist is another effective exercise for the obliques. To perform a Russian twist, sit on the ground with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Lean back slightly and lift your feet off the ground. Hold a weight or a household object in front of you and twist your torso to the left, then to the right. 4. Leg raises. Leg raises are an excellent exercise for the lower abs. To perform leg raises, lie on your back with your hands by your sides. Lift your legs straight up in the air and then lower them back down, stopping just before they touch the ground. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor throughout the movement. That's it for today's video on at-home abs workouts. We hope you found these exercises helpful and effective. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results, so make sure to incorporate these workouts into your routine regularly. Don't forget to subscribe to Muscle Progress for more fitness tips and tricks, and we'll see you in the next video.